assisting people with neurological conditions and their caregivers. Meet Lisa, embracing independence with Polly on the iPad. Polly's object detection helps her navigate effortlessly, ensuring safety with real-time hazard alerts. Polly's facial emotion analysis adds a new dimension to communication, allowing Lisa to express herself beyond words. Witness the power of predictive communication as Polly becomes Lisa's voice and ally, empowering quick actions in emergencies and daily tasks. Whether it's wellness advice or general inquiries, the Pollybot acts as an instant companion, answering questions and providing support. Polly's remote patient monitor connects patients with providers or caregivers through Apple Watch anytime, anywhere. Patients can access their health records and physical and mental data through dashboard and stay updated on appointments and messages, all in real time.